Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. So Bonk today is showing us that it's quite strong at the moment, and it is still inside the resistance, but I've shown you three white soldiers before on the weekly time frame, and that three white soldiers is actually a very good sight to see, because it gives me the confidence that, you know what, there is an unfinished business that Bonk is probably going to go back up again above 41.30, and I don't know how high you can continue from here, but at least all I know is at some point you're just meant to go back up to 4100 again. And let's just hope you get even more bullish and you continue with the bullish momentum to the upside, because why not? People are holding, people want a bull run, we want a bull run, we all deserve a bull run for holding up and putting up with all the BS that has been happening for the past 8 months, right? And we're approaching August, and speaking of August, we're still open up for the private entries as well. So if you want to join that, we have like 8 more days to close that, and I do have some plan on the private as well to, you know, help you guys get like a 200 to 300% win until December. So yeah, big plans coming up, because Q4 is approaching as well, and Q4 is the best damn season in crypto. Keep that in mind one more time. So throughout the whole year, if there was any time I may suggest, strongly recommend anyone to join the private, is October, November, December. But this time, around September time, I'm actually planning to give you a coin that is actually going to pump in those time, October, November, December. So be here. It can even be in August, you never know. So Pepe, so not Pepe, I always confuse Bonk and Pepe because they're similar. So we have this little bit of triangle being formed at the moment, and if I stretch the lower support and I bring in the upper resistance, the maximum time you're going to actually take to consolidate is going to be until 29th of July. So you're looking to do on something like you go down, you go up, you go down, you come up again, you go down like this, and then eventually either you break and go to the upside or break and go to the downside. That's just how right now things are looking. So if you do break up and you try to move back to the upside, the prices, the technical target is going to be, if I place this right here, you can see it's actually 42.32, and it makes sense because of the three white soldiers on the weekly, because due to that three white soldiers, it actually suggests that somehow Bonk is meant to go back up to 40.70, and at least now we're finding a reason, which is this triangle here. Of course it hasn't broken, but I think they're actually going to break it off and try to move it to that technical target. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.